You can't really choose what you write about. It kind of just comes through you like a vessel. I feel like pain is the root of a lot of art. Yeah, when we're in love, you know, we write love songs, but when we're hurting, we're just like belching out like a feeling. At least as a singer, a writer, you know, I'm really vulnerable when I'm hurting. I'm really like open. You make something beautiful out of something really painful, and it kind of just shows you that nothing really is that serious. But it does have a purpose, and it ends at night, you know, everything's a cycle. I feel like Betty is like the superhero, and then Emmy is like truly like the essence, you know. Whoever you perceive Betty to be is your choice. And one, and a two. Three. Music is about everything, mostly empowerment of self, freedom and self-love, and the importance of unity and love, mostly. That has been my duty, to inspire and to touch other people and to help other people. You can actually do whatever you feel like, and nothing is really that serious, and if you feel it, then do it. You know, don't do what people tell you to do. It's not what life is about. I've definitely had moments where I'm depleted. You gotta pull yourself back and realize everything's gonna be okay, and stop being so hard on yourself. I'm hard on myself. I see myself in places that I'm not at currently, and although I'm proud of where I've come, I still have a long way to go, and sometimes I can beat myself up, and it's really not that serious. It's really not. Like that little melody right there, just because I feel like I need to play with the melodies a little bit because it's so different with the auto-tune, and then I'll have to be punched in to come in there right when the thing comes in, like love hurts.
That's cool.
Alright, will you actually play back after the gap? In my future, I see myself influencing the masses, for sure. I want to be a public speaker, go to schools, talk to women, do music, and just pushing love. Was all fantasies on fantasies. Fear is just learn what it feels like to fall. Hurts. And if it ends, it's not the end. Sure, we could still be friends. Yeah, maybe we're forever, but maybe just today. But I'd rather take the risk than to have never felt this way.